students, today we will learn English reading. Today we will start from phonic sounds. You have to read after me. E, E. This is capital A and small a. E says A. E says A. E for apple. E for apple. A for aeroplane. A for X. A for ass. A for ant. A for arrow. A for ambulance. E. E says A. A, A, A. E says A. A, A, A. Students, read after me. E says A. E says A. And how to write? Look. Slanting line go up. Slanting line come down. Slipping line. Slanting line go up. Slanting line go down. Sleeping line. Go up. Come down. Semicircle. Go up. Come down. Okay? Revise it. Bye.